Western Coalfields Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Office of the Deputy Conservator of Forests, Nagpur Division, Government of Maharashtra. The MOU was signed to implement a CSR project to establish controlled condition mushroom cultivation infrastructure at Pawnee Range, Ramtek Tehsil under the Nagpur Forest Division. State Bank of India has revised the cash withdrawal charges applicable to basic savings bank deposit accounts opened through the branch channel. The revised charges will take effect from October 1, 2026. Under the new structure, account holders will continue to be entitled to 4 free cash withdrawals in a month. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has signed separate Memoranda of Understanding with PhonePe and Shell India to expand support for DPIIT recognized startups. The agreements, signed on the 19th of August 2026, aim to improve startups' access to technology, digital infrastructure, mentorship, market opportunities and industry networks. In a significant step towards cleaner shipping, GAIL India Limited, Deen Dayal Port Authority and DNV, DET Norske Veritas have signed a tripartite cooperation agreement to work together on setting up an LNG bunkering facility at Kandla Port. The agreement was signed on 21st August 2026 at Kandla. India's Ministry of Defence is exploring a possible role for India in France's next-generation fighter aircraft program, according to recent reports. The development comes as India and France continue to expand their defence partnership around the Rafale fighter jet and future air power technologies. A significant relief package has been finalized for the families of workers affected by the tragic tunnel accident at the under-construction tail race tunnel of THDC's Vishnugad Pipalkoti hydroelectric project in the Mayapur Pipalkoti area. Under the settlement, the dependents of each deceased worker will receive approximately 45 lakh rupees in total assistance. Every injured worker will get 3.50 lakh rupees as ex gratia compensation. NBCC India Limited conducted a high-level review of the CIP project in Agra, with senior government officials participating in the review. The update highlights continued monitoring of the CIP project in Agra, involving senior officials from the Government of India, CIP Peru, and NBCC. Shri Rajesh Kumar Chandel, Director Projects, SJVN Limited, visited the 1,320 megawatt Buxar Thermal Power Project in Bihar, being executed by SJVN Thermal Private Limited. During the visit, Shri Chandel inspected key components and major facilities of the project, including the main control room, boiler, and other plant installations. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has been declared the successful bidder under the tariff-based competitive bidding process for a major interstate transmission project in Gujarat. Power Grid received the letter of intent on August 21, 2026, with a discovered tariff of 822.91 crore rupees per annum. NTPC Limited has invited expression of interest for the supply of dry fly ash from its Simhadri Super Thermal Power Station to micro and small enterprises and local users engaged in manufacturing ash-based products.